Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today I would like to introduce you our new cryolipolysis machine with 360 degree fat freezing, and this is our latest design in 2022, and we have two colors for this design. One is this white machine, and the other one is a blue one, and it's a 360 degree fat freezing, very popular in the whole world market now. And as we all know, cryolipolysis or cool sculpting or fat freezing, these similar treatments are among the top 5 fat loss treatments in the beauty industry. And if you want to be more competitive in your local market, this OEM design will be your perfect option. And for this treatment, each treatment takes 40 to 20 hours, depends on different clients. And apart with the two treatments, there should be 30 to 40 days. And 2 to 3 treatments can be one session. After one session, you can get 4 to 6 inches reduction. And you can see this machine coming with 5 handles and one small sized handle for arms, for thighs, for lower legs, and 2 medium sized handles for thighs, for backs, for waist, and one big sized handle for bigger body area. And there is another double chain handle. The 5th handle is for double chain removal, and this is very popular treatment for among many countries. And for each handle there are different replacement working heads you can use, and totally 13 working heads you can replace with. And okay, next let's have a look at the operating system. Okay, the machine is on now. You can see there are 2 different languages, and we choose English. And for this machine, 4 handles can work at the same time, and you can see here are 4 handles parameters you can choose. And taking one handle for example, you can see here there is the pulse, and it means the mode of the fat freezing, pulse mode and continue mode. And the vacuum intensity from 0 to 100 kPa. And the fat freezing degree, and from 5 to minus 13. And when these parameters are set well, you can start. And at the same time, you can set all other parameters, the vacuum intensity, and the temperature of the fat freezing. Also here, the mode of the treatment, and the vacuum, the temperature. And when these are set well, you can get started. And on the machine, on the handle, there is a button. When the parameters are set well and the handles are chosen, you can press the button here and start the treatment.
Okay, now let's begin the details operation. And before those operation or for the cryolipolysis machine, we need to use this anti-freezing membrane on the treatment parts, such as on the leg treatment, we need to use this on the treatment parts. Okay, now let's take the memories out like this, and you can see and the enough cooling gel. And here you can see there are two pieces of memories in it. Here's the small one and the big one. For this one, it's used to clean the treatment handle first. And then this one, we need to put the memory on the treatment parts. That's okay. For the anti-freezing memory, we have the different size. This is the small size, and the size is 28 by 28 centimeters. Now let's begin operation. Put the memory on the treatment parts. And then we put the suitable working handle on the treatment parts. Now we can see the okay. Now let's start the treatment and adjust the parameters. Okay, when we begin the treatment, we need to press this button on the handle. Now you can see all the fats on the treatment parts have been sucked by the handle. And you can see here is the showing parameters, the temperature, the vacuum power, and also the water flowing of the handle. That is showing the handle is working normally. Okay, now these red two handles are working at the same time. You can see here these two size 3 and size 4 handle are working at the same time. Now let's begin the other two handles. Now let's do the treatment on the abdomen. Put the memory first. Okay, now let's use this handle to do the abdomen treatment. First, adjust the energy and put handle on the treatment parts. Let's start and put the button on the handle. And now you can see the temperature, vacuum energy, and water flowing, and also the handle is sucked already, and now it's working normally. Okay, now let's do the double chin treatment. And first, adjust the energy. And put handle on the treatment parts. Press the button on the handle. Okay, now the working is normal. Okay, now you can see the 4 handles are working at the same time. Double chin handle and big handle on the abdomen. Also 2 handles on the leg at the same time. And all the parameters are working normally.
Okay, this is the general details and the operation of this machine. And if you want more information about it, you can visit our website. See you next time. Bye.